Gather around, adventure seekers and lovers of beauty, for today, we journey through Italy, a land rich in history, culture and natural splendor. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Italy's diverse landscapes range from sun-kissed coastlines to snow-capped mountains. In this voyage, we'll explore iconic cities like Rome and Venice, experience the rustic charm of Tuscany, the vibrant energy of Milan, and the tranquil beauty of Lake Como, among other marvels. So, tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this unforgettable journey. Our first stop is Rome, the eternal city, where history whispers through the stones. Rome, a city that has stood for over 2 millennia, is a testament to the enduring grandeur of human endeavor. This is where the ancient and the modern intertwine in a timeless dance, where cobblestone streets lead to monumental works of architecture that have withstood the test of time. Imagine the thunderous applause of a crowd in the Colosseum, the heart of ancient Rome, where gladiators once fought for their lives. Picture the Roman Forum, the epicenter of political life in the Roman Empire, now a silent testament to its former glory. And then there's the Vatican, an enclave within the city, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, ever a beacon of faith and art. The city pulsates with life, its bustling piazzas echoing with laughter, lively debates, and the melodious tones of Italian. From ancient ruins to bustling piazzas, Rome truly is a living museum. Next, we float into the enchanting city of Venice, a city built on water. Venice, an architectural marvel, defies the conventions of modern city planning with its web of canals replacing bustling streets. Each canal is a pathway to discovery, leading to squares filled with history and buildings that whisper tales of the past. The city's heart lies in St. Mark's Square, a grand spectacle of opulence, where the echoes of footsteps on cobblestones mingle with the distant tolling of St. Mark's Basilica's bells. The Grand Canal, Venice's main waterway, is a serpentine spectacle, snaking through the city, carrying gondolas that glide under ornate bridges. Venice's romantic atmosphere is palpable. In every moonlit canal, every secret alleyway, every charmingly weathered facade. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets, to succumb to the allure of its hidden corners and timeless beauty. Venice, a city where every turn reveals a new surprise, a new marvel. We now find ourselves in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. This isn't just a city, it's an open-air museum, a testament to the artistic heritage that has shaped the world as we know it. Every corner of this ancient city tells a story steeped in art and culture. Imagine walking through the streets once tread by the likes of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. The city's architecture is a masterpiece, with each building echoing the grandeur of centuries past. The iconic Duomo, with its red-tiled dome, stands as a symbol of the city's glorious past and its enduring allure. And then there's the Uffizi Gallery, a treasure trove of artistic brilliance. Housing works from the greatest minds of the Renaissance, the Uffizi is a testament to Florence's unwavering dedication to the arts. From its world-class museums to its stunning architecture, every aspect of Florence is a tribute to the spirit of the Renaissance. Florence, a city that is a masterpiece in itself. Our journey takes us next to the breathtaking Cinque Terre, a string of 5 fishing villages perched on the Italian Riviera. Embodying the quintessence of Italian allure, Cinque Terre paints a vibrant picture with its pastel-colored houses clinging to the rugged cliffside. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its narrow cobblestone streets, offers an authentic slice of Italian life that's steeped in tradition. Each of the 5 villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, brings its own unique charm to the table, serving a feast for the senses. Hike along the scenic trails that link the villages, giving you a bird's-eye view of the crystal-clear waters of the Ligurian Sea below. The air is filled with the scent of fresh basil, the sound of waves lapping against the shore, and the sight of vineyards dotting the landscape. Cinque Terre, a paradise where time seems to stand still. Prepare to be dazzled by the Amalfi coast, Italy's divine coast. It's a place where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic display of nature's grandeur. Imagine towering cliffs draped in lush greenery, plunging dramatically into the sapphire blue Mediterranean. Nestled into these cliffs are charming pastel-colored towns, each with its own unique allure. Positano, with its steep, narrow streets lined with vibrant boutiques and cafes. Ravello, perched high above the sea, offering breathtaking panoramic views. And Amalfi itself, the coast's namesake, bustling with life amidst its historic squares and cathedrals. And let's not forget the vibrant Mediterranean vibe that permeates every corner of this divine coast. The air is filled with the scent of lemons, the sound of the sea, and the warmth of the Italian sun. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to savor every moment, every view, every mouthful of delicious Italian cuisine. The Amalfi Coast, a place of dreamy landscapes and unforgettable experiences. We now step into the stylish city of Milan, Italy's fashion capital. With a pulse that thrums day and night, Milan is a city that sets the rhythm of style and sophistication. The city's high-end shopping districts, like the famous Quadrilatero della Moda, are a testament to its status as a global fashion powerhouse. Here you can find an array of international and Italian designer boutiques, offering the very epitome of haute couture. But Milan isn't just about fashion, it's a city that seamlessly marries its modern flair with a deep reverence for its past. One of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Duomo di Milano, stands as a testament to this. This awe-inspiring cathedral, with its intricate Gothic details, is a symbol of Milan's rich history and cultural significance. Milan is more than just a city. It's a lifestyle, a place that invites you to immerse yourself in its elegance, its culture, and its vivacious spirit. Milan, a city that beautifully balances the old with the new. Our adventure continues in Naples and Pompeii, a tale of two cities. Let's immerse ourselves in the bustling streets of Naples, a city bursting with life and echoing with the tantalizing aroma of Italy's most cherished cuisine. Imagine the sweet tang of a freshly baked margherita pizza, the city's proudest creation, dancing on your tongue. Now let's step back in time to the haunting ruins of Pompeii. Once a thriving city, Pompeii now stands as a silent testament to the power of nature and the fragility of human civilization. Its well-preserved ruins whisper tales of a flourishing society abruptly halted by the ferocious eruption of Mount Vesuvius. The city's haunting beauty and historical significance captivate the hearts of many, making it a must-see destination. From the vibrant life of Naples to the silent echoes of Pompeii, this journey is a feast for the senses and the soul. Naples and Pompeii, a journey through time and taste. We now voyage to Sicily, the jewel of the Mediterranean. Sicily, an island of sun-kissed coastlines and sparkling azure waters, is a treasure trove of cultural wealth and natural beauty. This region boasts a fascinating fusion of European and Arab influences, reflecting in its architecture, cuisine, and local traditions. At the heart of Sicily, we find a landscape that dances between rugged mountains and lush vineyards. The island's heart beats with the rhythm of nature, offering a haven for those seeking adventure, solace, or a taste of the simple rustic life. Let's not forget Sicily's historical gems. The Valley of the Temples, an archaeological site in Agrigento, stands as a testament to the island's rich past. These ancient Greek ruins perched atop a ridge whisper tales of bygone eras, inviting us to step back in time and walk among the gods. Sicily, a land of contrasts, of passion, and of endless beauty. This is more than just a destination, it's a journey into the soul of the Mediterranean. Our journey takes us next to Sardinia, an island of wonders. Here, the allure of pristine beaches is only the beginning. Imagine stretches of white sand caressed by crystal clear waters, a sight to behold indeed. Yet, the island's beauty is not limited to its shores. Venture inland and you will encounter rugged mountains, a testament to Sardinia's wild and untamed spirit. These mountains house a world of their own, filled with unique flora and fauna, waiting to be explored by the adventurous. Yet, Sardinia is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a cultural treasure trove. This island nurtures a rich tapestry of traditions, from its language, Sardinian, one of Europe's oldest languages, to its vibrant festivals that burst with color and life. Sardinia's culture is a testament to its resilience and individuality. Sardinia, a place where nature and culture harmoniously coexist. We now find ourselves in Lake Como, Italy's most beautiful lake. Nestled in the shadow of the snow-capped Alps, Lake Como is a masterpiece of nature's artistry. The lake, shimmering under the Italian sun, is a spectacle of serene beauty. Anchored in the lake's pristine waters are elegant villas, each a testament to Italy's grandeur and opulence. These grand estates, with their terracotta-tiled roofs and ivy-covered exteriors, whisper tales of a bygone era of aristocracy and elegance. Surrounding the lake, charming towns dot the landscape, their cobblestone streets bustling with life. Here you'll find quaint cafes serving robust Italian coffee, gelaterias offering creamy gelato, and boutiques showcasing local crafts and fashion. At dusk, as the sun sets behind the Alps, the lake transforms into a tranquil oasis. The golden rays of the setting sun dance on the water's surface, painting a picture of tranquility and peace. Lake Como, a tranquil oasis that captivates and inspires. Our final stop is Bologna, Italy's gastronomic capital. A city that's a feast for the senses, Bologna is renowned for its rich culinary tradition. Here, food isn't merely sustenance, it's a love language. From the hearty ragu alla bolognese to the delicate tortellini, every dish tells a story of the city's vibrant culture and history. But Bologna isn't just about food. It's a city where medieval architecture meets the modern world. The two leaning towers, Asinelli and Garisenda, stand as proud symbols of Bologna's rich past, while the bustling Piazza Maggiore serves as the city's heartbeat. And let's not forget about Bologna's vibrant student life. Home to the oldest university in the Western world, the city is teeming with young minds, infusing it with an energetic and innovative spirit. Bologna, a city that feeds both the body and the soul. A city that invites you to wander its ancient streets, savor its gastronomic delights, and immerse yourself in its lively atmosphere. As our journey comes to an end, we find ourselves captivated by Italy's charm and diversity. From Rome's eternal allure, to Venice's romantic canals, Florence's Renaissance roots, and the stunning landscapes of Cinque Terre and Amalfi coast. We've explored Milan's fashion, the historical tales of Naples and Pompeii, discovered the jewels of Sicily and Sardinia, admired Lake Como's beauty, and savored Bologna's gastronomic delights. Thank you for joining us on this voyage through Italy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, arrivederci.